That thing's a good 5 feet shorter than ours, and it matches.
I know, it's perfect. We took another wrong turn. I don't know, but I think we're lost. I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who traded in our home and art studio for a home studio on wheels. Along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full-time in search of new landscapes and inspiration. And we'd love to have you join us on our adventures.
We're making chai French toast with Baerbel's sourdough bread.
That was really kind of her to bring over sourdough.
Yeah, it was.
And really kind of you to make us breakfast.
Yeah. Well, because we bought the F450, we're the designated campground relocators.
So who has the sweetest husband in the campground? I do. Actually, Baerbel's amazing. She's become a good friend. It's a long story about why she's here, why she doesn't have a truck, but we're gonna help her out. Hi.
Hey,
This is Baerbel. Hi. We're moving her fifth wheel for her. Not very far, but we're moving it. And it matches the truck perfect. We might have to trade fifth wheels. Now Baerbel's gonna wanna cook us a bunch more pizzas and bread. Gonna get fat living here. Anyway, mission accomplished. Her beautiful fifth wheel is now in its new home right across from us. And it sure did go good with the truck. It matched really well. She did say she might sell. We're gonna attempt to go find China Beach. It's another one of those kind of obscure, unmarked trails.
Shouldn't be too hard to find. There's 3 other cars.
Yeah, there's 3 other cars, so. But I'm not quite sure how far of a hike it is. And we brought Gracie because she needed to get out of the house. So, let's see if we can go find this China Beach.
Okay. You ready to go for a walk, Gracie? Go for a walk?
Make me work, make me sweat inside, make me feel like I'm alive. Take this hurt, lady, throw it in my face. Don't let these bones.
So there's a trail that goes to the left. Right here. I'm assuming we keep going down.
Yeah, that's not a beach down there.
Yeah, this doesn't look anything like what I was reading. We went the wrong way. So we just have to backtrack and go to the left, and I think. So there's definitely no beach here. There's a beautiful cliff drop off and ocean and islands, but not the beach. So Scott's gonna take a couple pictures and we're gonna go back and take that fork and see if that's the way.
I'm not sure we're in the right spot.
I don't know, but I think we're lost. And there's a cliff directly ahead of us again.
Okay, so we gotta turn around and go all the way back to the beginning, Gracie.
Oh boy. It might be poison oak. I mean, I'm up for a good hike and all, but
Well,
this old body can only do so much in one day. All right, well, we may or may not end up at China Beach today. I'm not sure if this is the right trail. Oh well, we're getting our workout.
yeah, forces you to explore.
We took another wrong turn, which is why I'm panting, because we've been going up and down so much. But finally, a nice lady came along and we asked her, and she said, yes, this is the right path. So, an hour and a half later, we're on the right path. Might as well keep going. We found the beach, we're getting close. Beautiful, the rock spires are amazing.
Oh man. Want to live right here. We're going to build our house right here. Not really.
We wish.
The hike was a lot shorter than we thought. If we hadn't have gone like 3 different wrong ways first, it would have been like really quick.
Are you so happy? Don't you get worn out? It's nice down here though, huh? We wore the little girl out. Me up too. That she got down in the sun on the sand and she just plopped down and like, I'm good. I'll just stay here. Hopefully Scott is going to get some good snapshots for you, and I'll put them at the end of the video. Are you trying to get into my backpack? Because you know the treats are in there. Watching the sun go down over this beautiful China beach. We just saw our first whale spout. I thought I saw one, but I wasn't sure. And we just saw one for sure. Big spout come up. But we're not high enough to actually see the whales. But that's exciting. China Beach, we made it. And the sun's going down. And we have to get all the way back out of here.
We don't want to spend the night here, so
No.
I do have my cell phone flashlight somewhere. We better boogie up the hill.